Hello everybody and welcome once again to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Well, Christmas was yesterday and we've got a little bit of extra Christmas cheer to spread. So in celebration of our 17,000 subscribers, we're going to do a grow light giveaway for you guys. Ta-da! This is the light I'll be giving away. It's a Grossiland 500 watt LED grow light fixture. This is a full spectrum and it consumes 120 actual watts. And with this grow light, you could really grow anything from like tomatoes, herbs, vegetables indoors during the winter months if you need to. Or you can also grow some high light requirement plants such as specific varieties of cacti or succulents that just don't quite get enough light during the winter months. I've found that LED lights are a huge help in the garden. I love to have them where I need them. Specifically right now, I've got these little LEDs just providing a little bit of extra lighting for the houseplants indoors here. But then in my Sempervivum grow bed that I have indoors, they have been producing like spectacularly with the grow light I have on them. So if you've never used a grow light indoors, don't worry, it's super easy. I definitely recommend getting a timer or something like that. But with this thing only consuming 120 watts, you don't have to worry about how much it's going to cost you on a monthly basis. Really, it's equivalent to a couple of incandescent bulbs that you would normally have in your house. So you're not going to really see any impact on your energy bill with grow lights like this, especially when it comes to LED. Now, when you're working with larger, like high pressure sodium bulbs and stuff like that, those can really rack up the bucks a little bit because they consume, like, to get a nice solid light, a lot of the times like 1,000 watts and plus of actual power is going to be consumed by that light. But with this LED here, it's only 120 watts of actual power being consumed. So to the details of this drawing, all you have to do is comment down below whatever you would like, maybe perhaps the greatest thing you learned about gardening this year. And then also please be a subscriber and hit that bell button so you're notified when we release the giveaway announcement video. And that's it. I'm not going to make up some crazy rules for you guys. Just comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell button so you're notified. Otherwise, I might come out with the announcement video and you're not going to know for several weeks to maybe several months. And by that point, we're going to turn it around to whoever the next winner might be. I usually give a couple of weeks, and if we don't get any reply, just to be fair to everybody, I move on to the next winner and draw another random comment out of this video. So comment down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you had a great Christmas, and I've got a special surprise coming at the end of this year. A really kind of a big announcement regarding 2020 and you guys in your gardens as well. Good luck to everybody out there, and we'll see you in the next video.